Hi guys, how you doing? I didn't post a lot of content. I didn't post anything in a while. I've been super busy being alone in the business while my wife is with the kid at home. Basically, just organize a lot of things here in the office, the warehouse. Been trying to build up my merchant fulfilled side of business, and nothing much came in because of the estate sales and everything. Just garage sales, estate sales, they all been shut down. So it's harder to source those kind of stuff. But what I did is just buy online, did some online arbitrage and got a lot of really good stuff that have been selling pretty well. But you spend a lot more money than when you go thrifting or estate selling. So just an update on my merchant fulfilling side of business on Amazon. I got a little corner here with a lot of CDs and DVDs. Basically, I don't know, around 2,000 items here, something like that. I've been trying to improve my system. It's not the greatest still. I just mark them by basically I had them in bins, and now I just put them on the shelving units. I bought 3 shelving units, and one is still on the way. So basically, I still go by titles, which takes, forever because of those titles. The classical music is just a pain to deal with because the titles on the back of the CD, they don't always match the title on the cover. I don't know why. So that takes me a long time, but better than having them in bins. And besides that, I've been, as I was saying, I've been doing a lot of online arbitrage. So I got a lot of nice items, nice money-making items. So I had, so far today it's June 20th, and I had about 15 items going on eBay. Yesterday I packed like 30 items on Amazon Merchant Fulfilled, and I have now 10. Also, FBA is going pretty well. I sent a lot of stuff that I had here that I previously bought. I bought in bulk specifically for that reason, to keep sending items. So I spent a lot of money last year just to keep on selling. It's selling. Some items already sold out really quick, and some items are just slow selling, but I'm keeping them here. So that's okay, I have the room. Also, I had a lot of CDs here, pallets of CDs and DVDs. So what I did is I went through all of them again, and I took the good ones, and basically the duds that I had, I had basically like a pallet worth of duds. So I just sold them locally to somebody. He paid, I think, $250 for like a pallet of CDs. So I got my money back basically almost just from that sale. If you remember a few videos back, I got a van full of DVDs and CDs for $350, something like that. So those are all the classical music that I have here. All the CDs that I have and almost all the DVDs that I have here are just from that single purchase, which I did like 2 months ago almost, when I just started merchant fulfilling. I think I passed like 20K in the merchant fulfill sales. I'm not so sure. I have to check, but something around the 20K or lower 20s, higher teens. So basically that's it. I'm gonna try to come back to doing some more videos because it's just time. I'm overwhelmed with stuff to do in my personal life and also here in the warehouse because it's just me. So hopefully everything will be back to normal pretty soon, and I'll have my wife here and she can help me out a lot like she used to do. Yeah, so basically that's it. Just wanna keep you a little, just give you a little update on what's going on, why I disappeared. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button and subscribe also. Thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one.